So here you guys, this is the last and final video for the belt making. I did not realize I had made so many videos. The work it took, because I'm getting back in and I was basically bumbling around, but I documented the process and the videos certainly are not in order. I guarantee that. But this is the last video on making those belts for that red jersey dress. This is the absolute last one. The next one is me finishing up the pockets. And in there's another video of me cutting out the fabric. And then, of course, there are videos of me assembling the dresses together. So I will be posting those later, but this is the entire process that I wanted you guys to see. I see videos all day of people doing a complete project in one video, and I completely understand that, and I think about that all the time. But I am making multiple copies. I'm not just making one. I'm not bragging. What I'm saying is what I've been saying all along. I want to micro manufacture small runs, and so I do watch the videos of the people who make the one-offs, and those are absolutely stellar. I love it. But I want to be able to have receipts when someone says you don't make all those, because someone will come along and they will accuse me of not making all these. And so I want you guys to see, for those who are interested, I want people to see that I am making these myself. And so that's why I will make videos of me making the whole run. In the future, though, there won't be so many videos. It'll just be like, hopefully less than 5. There won't be, because this is like, from start to finish, at least 20 videos in that neighborhood. Yeah, if you look at my YouTube, yeah, the ones on Instagram and TikTok, they're scattered, but on YouTube, I'm getting mostly everything, and there are a lot of them. Mistakes, goofs, successes, everything. So, this is 2 videos stitched together, and they were 8 minutes and 33 seconds and 19 minutes and 48 seconds crammed into 5 minutes and 40 seconds. That's what you're watching. That would have been what? 30 minutes, give or take. Because I don't want to sit here and have a half an hour video of me doing this either. So, yeah, I think this is the best option. And there are a bunch of, and on YouTube and Instagram and TikTok and LinkedIn, I've sped up most of the videos, so they're not the whole. How do I say this? Default time. I've sped up most of them. I take that back, because there were, when I first started, I was posting the whole videos and they were taking way too long to load. So I've sped these up. One video took 2 days to post, so I can't operate that way. And this is just documentation, so you see, you know, I am making these. So anyway, please like, comment, repost. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.